How's it going, guys? It's Chris here with Street Geeks, and I got another quick video for you. It's happened to us all, I'm sure. You go to swipe or you go to tap and you accidentally delete a text message thread from one of your favorite people. I accidentally deleted a text message thread between me and my dad, and I wanted to keep it. There's a lot of information in there. It goes back a long time. I don't want to have to start a whole new text message thread. It has a lot of information in it I don't want to lose, you know what I mean? Like advice, links, all kind of different stuff. So I'm like, I gotta figure out how to get this back. And it deleted like immediately. I accidentally hit the X button somehow and it deleted. And it also deleted from my MacBook. So that was like double whammy. I'm like, oh, let me check to see if it's on my MacBook still, but it was gone. So I did my Google search, and of course, the only thing it's gonna show online is you gotta restore your iPhone. Who wants to do that? I found another way. I'm going to show you how to restore a text message thread without restoring your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings. You'll open up, you'll go to your iCloud settings, and then you will scroll down to iCloud, manage storage, and then you'll hit messages. Then you'll go to top conversations. And if the person that you were texting with is a person that you text a lot with, they'll be in your top conversations. You could go, you tap on it and it'll bring up the conversation even though it's been deleted. I don't know how long this works after you delete the message, but you want to do this right away as soon as you know you deleted it, because I'm sure there's like a time period where you may not be able to recover it. So just go in there, and then what I did was I just sent a quick text message right from that screen to my dad, you know what I mean? It reappeared in my, if it's somebody that you don't never text and it's not in your top messages, then you may have to restore your phone to get it back. If it doesn't, you want to go to settings. So you want to go back to your settings, and you'll go to your iCloud, click iCloud, then scroll down to iCloud backup, and it'll tell you when your last backup is. So, and this is something you want to do right away. Like, make sure that this is something you want to do right away. You don't want to wait, because if your phone backs up before you're able to, if it backs up automatically before you're able to restore that device, then you may have lost it for good, unfortunately. But yeah, do that right away before your phone backs up again. So that's how you can do it. Don't trip. It's happened to the best of us. There is a way to get it back, and hopefully that way works for you. But that's just another quick tip. Like and share this video, all of that good stuff, and it's been a good day.